Today we are going to make chicken sukka. In the this is the specialty of coastal region. In Kundapur it is called as chicken sukka. In the Tulu speaking place it's called as kori ajadina. Kori ajadina, right? The ingredients, you require something special for this. That is red chili. I have taken for 125 people preparation. Today it's going to be a bulk preparation. And the ingredients goes like this. Red chili, the badgi chili. We are using badgi chili. It gives good color to the sukka. That is 400 grams of red chili we have taken. And next ingredient is another spice, that is peppercorn. It is 50 grams of peppercorn, and cumin seeds, that is 100 grams of cumin seeds. Curry leaves, that's 100 grams. Nutmeg, 1 whole nutmeg, 1, and poppy seeds, 25 grams. Bay leaves, 4 numbers. Star anise, this is 15 grams. Then you have mustard seeds, 25 grams. Cloves, 20 grams. Maize, 10 grams. It is in the same bowl, you can see the small quantity of maize. And then we have taken cinnamon, that's of 15 grams. And aniseeds or badesof, that's 25 grams. Then we have fenugreek seeds or methi, 15 grams. Then we have turmeric powder, that is 30 grams. See, now coriander seeds, very important, or curry seeds, 300 grams. Coriander seeds, 300 grams. And the whole garlic bulb, 2 bulbs of whole garlic. And to broil this or to fry this or to slightly roast this, we require coconut oil, 50 ml of coconut oil. Now we are going to make the broiling, that is we are going to roast these ingredients before making the masala. Now, after broiling, that is after roasting, we need to make a fine powder of it. Fine powder, the ingredients, what all we had taken, it's made very fine powder. So this is your ajadina or chicken sukka masala, which is ready. Now we have so many ingredients. We have made it to 6 to 7 ingredients now. What are those ingredients? One is just we have made the fine powder of the sukka masala. Next is coconut, grated coconut. This is 8 grated coconut for 125 packs chicken sukka. 8 grated coconut. Next is sliced onion. This is 1.5 kilos of sliced onion. And for all this preparation, we are going to use 300 ml of coconut oil. 100 grams of ginger garlic paste. And 100 ml, you say, it is tamarind pulp. 100 ml of tamarind pulp. This is all about your chicken sukka second stage of preparation. Now we are going to make the actual preparation. For that, we are going to add the coconut oil. In which we are going to add the sliced onion for frying. light brown, right? And as onions are getting fried, we are going to put some salt so that the onion becomes translucent, right? Now, at this stage, I'm going to add the curry leaves. Put our curry leaves. I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste for the preparation. This preparation is for 125 people and we are going to use 12 kg of chicken. We are going to use 12 kg of chicken, right? And curry cut pieces of chicken we are going to use for the preparation. Needs to be continuously stirring so that it will not stick to the bottom. It's done now. It is turned brown color. Please pass the chicken. Now we are going to add the curry cut pieces to the masala, that is onion, curry leaves, gently you need to mix all the masala. Now I'm going to add some more salt to the chicken. This is for, again I'm repeating, this is for 125 people and 12 kgs of chicken. Now I'm going to add to the chicken mix tamarind pulp. We have given the quantity. Now the tamarind pulp which is added. Now gently you need to stir it so that the chicken should not become pieces, right? Thing is for cooking, we are not going to add water in this case, chicken tikka. What we are going to do is, it is going to cook in its own juice. So for that, what we are going to do is, we are going to seal the chicken by covering the kadai. Right, we'll keep for 15 to 20 minutes, we'll keep it covered. And then we'll be adding the roasted spices mixture into the preparation. Now chicken is getting tenderized here, with the onions and the spices. Now what we are going to do is, the next step, that is roasting of coconut, grated coconut. That is 8 coconuts, we are going to roast it now. For that whatever I said, the amount of oil, in that I'm going to add 100 ml of oil for the roasting. We need to wait till the oil becomes hot Then we are going to add curry leaves to the hot oil. After curry leaves, it has started crackling. Now we are going to add the grated coconut. Again, I am repeating, that is 8 grated coconut for 125 people. You need to roast this to extract the flavor. Now, along with this, we are going to add some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder we are going to add. Now we need to roast till you get good aroma from the coconut. We have made the masala initially, the same masala. So I'm going to add to this, to the coconut mixture, I'm going to add 1/4 of that. Next, we are going to take this we are going to bring it to a room temperature, and then we are going to put it in the mixer and we grind it. Dry grinding we do it for the the ground masala. We are going to add to the chicken preparation. So chicken is getting cooked here. You can just have a look. So now the remaining masala, which is grounded for sukka, we are going to add in the chicken, so that it will absorb and you will get that taste. we are going to add some salt to the chicken. Be careful when you are adding salt. Just see the taste, and then you are going to put little salt. Right. So once you realize that the chicken is cooked and the meat is separating from the bones, that means your chicken is cooked. You have to take a piece now, and you can see where it is. See, there is a difference. The chicken is separating from the bone, so that means it is done now. Now we'll wait for another few minutes, because as it is a quantity cooking, something quantity. Today what we are learning is quantity cooking. What is quantity cooking? Quantity cooking is all about bulk cooking. See, in colleges or catering institutes, you need to learn two things. One is basic training kitchen, and other one is quantity training kitchen. In the basic training kitchen, you learn about small portions, that is 2 portions, 3 portions, 4 portions preparation. Wherein when it comes to bulk preparation, it is when it is cooked more than 10 to 15 people, we call it as bulk cooking. So bulk cooking, you require a different set of equipments, different set of masalas and all those things. That today is the first day we are learning about bulk cooking, right? So now the chicken is, as I said, the meat is separating from the bone. So now I'm going to add coarsely ground Sukka masala into the chicken. So if you have any function at home for 100 people, I think by going through this recipe and the method of preparation, you could make it. You don't have to depend on a caterer, the hotel management graduate or hotel management pursuing student. It's very simple to make a chicken sukka, right? Now, next thing is, for the flavor, very essential is the flavor of chicken sukka. That is, we are going to add the coconut oil, for flavor purpose. The remaining, whatever we have said initially, in that whatever balanced coconut oil is there, I have poured to the chicken sukka. I'm getting good flavor. I think chef is getting good flavor. Now we are going to add some. That is my friend or my fiancée in the kitchen. That is coriander leaves. So there you are, chicken sukka. Thank you.